In this video, we will be looking at how to create an instant invoice and a preview invoice from the Matters screen. An instant invoice allows you to create an invoice if you don't have time entries or if it's a one-off invoice for a certain amount. A preview invoice allows you to create an invoice without an invoice number so you can review the invoice before creating it properly. To create an instant invoice or to preview an invoice, make sure that you're on the Matters screen. Select the matter that you would like to create the invoice for by clicking it. Then click on Instant Invoice. The Prepare Instant Invoice window will open up, allowing you to enter in an invoice date, the due date, the duration and type, which displays how you would like to charge the client, such as in hours and minutes. Once you set the duration, the total of the invoice will be calculated automatically based on the rate that's been set in the matter. You can override the total by clicking on the total field and typing in a new figure. You can then type the invoice text or use the drop-down menu to select predefined text to use on the invoice. You can also type in an invoice comment that will only be visible to you and will not appear on the invoice at all. Once all the details have been entered, click on the Save button. The Select Invoice Pack window will open up, where you can either click to generate a document pack or generate the invoice only. In this example, I will be clicking on Generate the Invoice Only. The invoice will open up in Microsoft Word, and this invoice will now be recorded against the matter. To create a preview invoice for a matter, select the matter and then click on Preview Invoice. SILQ will automatically create a preview invoice from the work in progress items that you have entered against that matter. This concludes the video on how to create an instant invoice and a preview invoice from the Matters window.